Benefits of drone. In this chapter, you will understand the benefits of drone in agriculture. Drone spraying service is better than traditional knapsack and broom spraying methods in multiple ways. Precise application of agrochemicals, higher penetration, and droplet deposition ability. Due to higher total deposition on target crop and fewer ground losses, saving in agrochemical cost is 20 to 47%. The crop yields tend to increase by 3.7 to 22.5%. Effectively substitutes for labors in farming, and labor productivity is 3 to 4 times higher. The area coverage per unit of time is approximately 13 to 18 times higher. Reduced risk of health hazard owing to less dermal exposure of applicators to pesticides. The water use reduces by 90 to 95% for agrochemical spraying.